Spezia, located in the Liguria region of Italy, serves as a gateway to the famed Cinque Terre and is a vital hub for maritime activity. As one of Italy's main naval bases, the city boasts a strong historical connection to the sea. This relationship is reflected in its attractions, such as the Naval Technical Museum, which houses an extensive collection of maritime artifacts, including model ships, navigational instruments, and relics from Italy's naval history. Visitors gain insight into the city's long-standing naval tradition and its critical role in maritime defense. The Gulf of La Spezia, often referred to as the Gulf of Poets, is a stunning body of water that has inspired writers and artists for centuries. Renowned literary figures such as Lord Byron, Percy Bysshe Shelley, and Mary Shelley found solace and inspiration in the area's breathtaking landscapes. Byron famously swam across the Gulf to visit friends, a feat commemorated by the Byron Grotto in nearby Porto Venere. This poetic connection continues to attract travelers seeking both natural beauty and cultural depth. La Spezia's historic center is a charming blend of old-world charm and modern vibrancy. Its narrow streets, lined with pastel-colored buildings, lead to bustling piazzas such as Piazza Garibaldi and Piazza St. Bon. Visitors can explore artisanal shops, cozy cafes, and markets brimming with local produce. The architecture reflects the city's evolution over centuries, showcasing a mix of medieval, Renaissance, and modernist influences, making it a delightful area to explore on foot while soaking in its lively yet relaxed atmosphere. One of the highlights of La Spezia is the Amedeo Leah Museum, home to an impressive collection of art and antiquities. Housed in a former convent, the museum displays works from the Middle Ages to the 18th century, including pieces by Titian, Tintoretto, and Canaletto. In addition to paintings, the collection includes illuminated manuscripts, sculptures, and ancient artifacts. The museum's intimate setting allows visitors to appreciate the art up close, making it a cultural gem for art enthusiasts. La Spezia is also known for its delicious cuisine, which reflects the flavors of Liguria. Fresh seafood is a staple, with dishes such as axiu alla limona, anchovies with lemon, mussels cooked in white wine, and fish stews like chupin delighting diners. The city is also famous for its pesto alla genovese, made from locally grown basil. Pairing these dishes with regional wines such as Cinque Terre DOC or Vermentina enhances the culinary experience, offering visitors a true taste of the Ligurian coast. The bustling port of La Spezia is one of Italy's most important shipping and cruise hubs. Its modern infrastructure contrasts with the traditional charm of the city, creating a dynamic atmosphere. From the port, ferries connect visitors to the Cinque Terre, Porto Venere, and other destinations along the Ligurian coast. The port area itself has been revitalized with promenades, green spaces, and art installations, providing both locals and tourists a place to enjoy views of the sea and the busy harbor. A short distance from La Spezia lies the enchanting village of Hrisi, known for its picturesque waterfront and medieval castle. Easily accessible from La Spezia, Hrisi is a perfect day trip for visitors who want to explore its beaches, quaint streets, and historic sites. The Castello di Hrisi, perched on a hill overlooking the town, offers panoramic views of the Gulf of Poets and houses a paleontology museum. The village embodies the timeless beauty and tranquility of the Ligurian coast. La Spezia's position as a crossroads between Tuscany and Liguria makes it a melting pot of cultural influences. The city's festivals and traditions often blend elements from both regions. For example, the annual Festa di San Giuseppe in March includes a vibrant market and processions, celebrating both the patron saint of workers and the arrival of spring. These events highlight the city's strong sense of community and provide visitors with an opportunity to immerse themselves in local culture. The Castello San Giorgio, perched atop a hill overlooking La Spezia, is a historic fortress that offers spectacular views of the city and the Gulf of Poets. Dating back to the 13th century, the castle now houses the Ubaldo Formentini Civic Museum, which showcases archaeological finds from the region, including Roman artifacts and prehistoric relics. The castle's strategic location and historical significance make it a must-visit for history buffs and those seeking stunning panoramas. Nature lovers will find plenty to explore in La Spezia's surrounding areas, including the Parco Naturale Regionale di Montemarcello Magravara, a vast regional park offering hiking trails, lush landscapes, and diverse wildlife. The park's trails range from leisurely walks to challenging hikes, providing breathtaking views of the Ligurian coast and the Apuan Alps. Its proximity to La Spezia makes it an ideal escape for outdoor enthusiasts looking to combine adventure with natural beauty. In the heart of La Spezia, the market hall, Mercato Caperto, is a vibrant hub of local life. This bustling indoor market offers an array of fresh produce, seafood, meats, and cheeses, alongside regional specialties like olive oil, honey, and wine. Visitors can experience the flavors of Liguria while mingling with locals and discovering the ingredients that form the foundation of the area's cuisine. The market is a sensory delight and a must-visit for food lovers and curious travelers. La Spezia's modern side is showcased in its urban planning and contemporary architecture. The city has embraced sustainability and innovation in recent years, with projects like the Piazza Verdi renovation, which features striking art installations and green spaces. This blend of modernity and tradition reflects La Spezia's forward-thinking approach while honoring its rich cultural heritage, making it a fascinating destination for those interested in urban development and design. The proximity to the Cinque Terre makes La Spezia an ideal base for exploring this UNESCO World Heritage Site. A short train ride or ferry trip transports visitors to the 5 iconic villages of Riomaggiore, Monarola, Cornelia, Vernazza, and Monterosso al Mare. Each village boasts colorful houses perched on cliffs, scenic trails, and local charm. Staying in La Spezia allows travelers to enjoy the conveniences of a city while having easy access to these coastal treasures. La Spezia's maritime heritage is celebrated with the Palio del Golfo, an annual rowing regatta held on the first Sunday of August. This event sees teams from neighboring villages compete in traditional rowing boats, drawing large crowds and fostering friendly rivalry. Though primarily a summer event, the Palio reflects La Spezia's deep connection to the sea and its enduring traditions, aspects that remain central to its identity year-round. For architecture enthusiasts, La Spezia offers a treasure trove of Art Nouveau and Liberty-style buildings, particularly along Viale Aldo Ferrari. These structures, characterized by intricate facades and decorative details, showcase the city's artistic flair during the early 20th century. Walking tours often highlight these architectural gems, providing a deeper appreciation for the city's design evolution and the influences that have shaped its urban landscape. La Spezia is also home to several beautiful churches, such as the Santa Maria Assunta Cathedral, which blends modern and traditional elements. The cathedral houses significant works of art, including paintings by 17th-century artists. Another notable church is Our Lady of the Snow, located near the city center and known for its serene atmosphere and simple beauty. These religious landmarks add spiritual depth to La Spezia's cultural offerings. The nearby island of Palmaria, accessible by ferry, offers an escape into unspoiled nature. Designated a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, the island features rugged coastlines, caves, and hiking trails with stunning views of the Ligurian Sea. Palmaria's proximity to La Spezia makes it an ideal destination for a day trip, combining outdoor adventure with a sense of seclusion and natural beauty that contrasts with the city's vibrant energy. La Spezia's artistic spirit is evident in its many public art installations and cultural events. The Festival of Contemporary Art, held annually, attracts artists and audiences from around the world. The festival includes exhibitions, workshops, and performances, transforming the city into an open-air gallery. This celebration of creativity highlights La Spezia's commitment to fostering artistic expression and cultural exchange, making it a vibrant destination for art lovers. Finally, La Spezia's warm and welcoming atmosphere makes it a delightful place to visit year-round. Whether enjoying its historic landmarks, indulging in its culinary delights, or exploring its surrounding natural beauty, the city offers a diverse range of experiences. Its blend of tradition, innovation, and charm ensures that visitors leave with lasting memories of this captivating coastal gem.